Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3. The first method is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. Then, at the back side of the charging case, we have USB-C port. Connect USB-C cable right at this port. And the most important is to check the LED light on the front side. If you see it, meaning that your earbuds are charging. The second option is to charge your earbuds using your phone. We have two options how to charge it. Firstly, I will show you with a cable, so we need to use USB-C to USB-C cable, but if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and the second one to the charging case. And again, we need to check the LED light, and we should have it. Why we haven't right now? Okay, we have it, so it also works. The third option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable, and you can charge your earbuds from, let's say, your PC. So it looks like this. Connect USB-C cable to your charging case, and I'm going to connect USB-A cable to my PC, but you can connect with another device what have USB-A port. Now let's check the LED light. Okay, why we haven't it? Oh, we have. So it also charging your earbuds. Yeah, also this earbud support wireless charging, so we can use wireless charging station. Right here I have it, we put it here, and we see the LED light at the wireless charging station, but again the most important that we see it on the front side. And we can use reverse wireless charging, and this one is the second method how to charge it using your phone. So your phone should support this technology to use it. We can go to the settings, then battery, and right here at least stock Android we have battery share. We need to enable this mode, turn over the phone. Now put these earbuds at the phone. But we need to find a good position, we have it, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!